Hi guys, and welcome to my home. As promised, I was going to share with you all of my spring home decor that I have put up recently. It is about 90 degrees out here, so I think we definitely skipped spring and went right into the heat of summer here in Georgia. So I'm going to go ahead and take you guys on a little tour through my home. I hope that you guys enjoy it. We are going to start with the front porch, so come along. Alrighty, so we are going to start with the front porch, and as you guys can see, I have some flowers here in a pot. I have a hanging basket here. This is just a very nice way to welcome people into your home. It kind of took a little while to try to figure out how I wanted to do my patio. Brian and I painted these chairs, which need to be painted again because the back part of them didn't get painted. So we need to flip those upside down and paint those, but that's something that we're gonna do very soon. And then right here, I put like a little table here with a lantern. I put a flower here, added some pillows for color. It just looks so pretty and so refreshing and so summery and so welcoming. Then over here, I hung up my screen door that I've always had like put over here in the corner, and then I carry it in the house and I decorate it up that way as well. But I just decided that I'm sick of moving it around, so I had Brian hang this up for me over the weekend. And the wreath is just there kind of temporarily, just to kind of give me an idea of what I want to put there and how I want to decorate it. And of course then the arrow I have up there as well. Again, something maybe temporary until I kind of really figure out how to decorate that screen door. But for now, that's gonna work and it looks cute. So, and then over here in the front, you see that I have a wreath on the front door, and then I I use chalk to chalk on the word welcome. And then over here I have another little like chalkboard with the word welcome. I'm actually going to repaint this door. I just really haven't decided what color I'm going to paint it yet, but I'm definitely going to be repainting it. And then over here I've spray painted another table, and then I've put up a little plant right there as well. And now we're going to go ahead and enter the house. So welcome. Alrighty, so as you enter the house, I have the door behind me. This is my foyer area, and over here to the right is just an antique piece. I didn't do anything different over here in this area. This is something that stays here all the time. This, like I said, is an antique piece that came from my grandmother's house. And my grandmother passed away about 2 years ago. Oh, it'll be 2 years this year. But I did put this little, galvanized pot there with some flowers and some cotton, which this, like, again, stays here all the time with a picture of my grandparents. So over here though, I just kind of did change a few things up from the Easter holiday. All of this stuff is pretty much the same. I left my little watering pot there with some pink flowers in it. All of this stuff has stayed the same. The pillows, all this stuff kind of came from TJ Maxx or Home Goods or Hobby Lobby or At Home. So I kind of like decorate that way. I did have Brian finally hang this up for me, so we have that hung up now. And I really like the way that that little area turned out. And then I have some house beads over a blue jar that I got from Walmart, and this is one of the Pioneer Woman collection. And then I just have some candles and a lamp. All that stuff is pretty much the same as before. And then as you walk into my living room area, this is what the living room looks like from this view. And obviously I did change things up from Easter. I have my cotton here, which is original cotton from a field in Tennessee, so I absolutely love that here. And I just added some greenery. I put these little these wreaths came from Amazon, and there's a link below in the description box where you guys can go get those little wreaths, and I love them. They're just so perfect for this little scale that I have. And then I just added some greenery inside of there as well. So pretty. And then I have it on both sides. Really, really cute. This fresh cut flowers came from a shop on Etsy, which I absolutely love. And then I have just this sitting here for just a decoration. Because I have like a theme in my living room of kind of like the blues and the summery stuff, I added some shells inside of this little tray that I got at I think I got this at Kirkland's. And then I'm not sure where all of those came from, but I actually have some shells in here too. Again, kind of with the spring, summery, beachy theme going on here. Then over here I just have You know, nothing really changed over here, just a few things. I put some lamb's ear inside of this right here, and then just that's, you know, that's pretty much it for this area. As we walk over here to this little area, I just kind of put some pink flowers down there, and then I added some cute little purple ones right here. That's about all I have on this little table for spring. Then as you walk over here, I have some of these just sitting on the speakers, which these stay here all the time anyway, but I did move them up because I did have something sitting in front of them before. And this is just a little summery banner that I made, spring summer banner that I made that I just kind of added right here. And then same thing with the flower, little box woods flower right there. Then over here is just another little area. I have a little candle that I keep inside this lantern, little bird, flowers, candles. Again, nothing that really changed over here. I added obviously some of my blue my blue pillows and stuff over here, and some jars that you can see that just sit there and look real pretty. Then over here, I added more blue, a little bird, and some little flowers inside of that little vase. Then over here on my mantle, this is what the mantle looks like. Again, nothing real fancy. But it is, this is what you guys kind of been waiting for. This is what the mantle area looks like. This is a banner that I made, I don't know, several years ago. I just thought it was really cute for spring and summer. And then I add all of like the green and the yellows to match. And then of course some little signs that says home sweet home. I made this little house beads a couple of weeks ago to match the banner. So that looks, and then of course the wreath to make it complete. And then there you go, there's my little my fireplace area. This is what it looks like. And then keeping with the theme of the blue and stuff, I have a blue blanket just kind of sitting here across this chair, and then I have some blue and yellow pillows on the couch with a blanket with blue and yellow and some orangey coral in there. So it kind of matches everything, kind of matches my little banner there. So everything kind of like blends together and matches. That's kind of how I wanted it to go in here, because it just looks really pretty. And then as we go into the dining room, I just added these little wreaths here on those windows. Again, nothing really changed. And then I left my table runner here that I had out for Easter, and I left these flowers here as well because those are actually very pretty for summertime. And then back here I added these yellow flowers in a galvanized tin. And I kept the gingham pillows there as well. I did add these in. I showed you guys that a while ago. I put these up and hung them up, and I absolutely love the way that they look. That is something that I could definitely change up all the time with different flowers if I needed to. But as of right now, I really like those for the duration of spring and summer. And then over here, I just have a bunch of, you know, jars and flowers and plants and stuff that I just kind of set up here. And then I have the same galvanized little tin or galvanized little bucket there with some flowers in it. Same with the gingham pillow, and then same thing on this side with the plants. Alrighty, then over here on my island, I kind of showed you guys this before. Nothing's really changed. I just didn't put up my little tiered tray this time. I just added some mason jars with some really pretty flowers in there, and then just kind of threw some lamb's ear in here, and then I made a house bead or casa beads, whatever you want to call them. I just kind of laid those here across this. I got this thing at Kirkland's. I got the mason jars, I believe, at Walmart. Got the lamb's ear at Hobby Lobby, and these flowers at Hobby Lobby. And then this also came from Hobby Lobby, this little table runner here. And then I just have some like little wicker placemats there for when we sit down. But that's what this little area looks like, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I just think it's so pretty, and I love how the light looks shines through the blue glass. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. Alrighty, so over here in my little seasonal area, nothing really changed except for I did change out obviously the Easter eggs, and I put some lemons and some limes in there, which I actually need to get another set of lemon and limes because I love the lemons and limes in the kitchen for spring and summertime. And then I have this vanilla lime candle burning from Yankee Candle. And then over here, I was really struggling with what I wanted to put inside of this pot, so I just put some rocks in there, and that kind of works for now. I thought about maybe getting some succulents and putting them in there because that would look really, really pretty. And then I just kind of kept my candles here, and then I added this pot with some, you know, fake flowers. But this is not fake. This is something real that came from Lowe's for Mother's Day, and I just kind of put some water inside this and then put it in there. And then up here I have another banner that I made, and then always a picture of my kids right there. And then fresh pies, and then Farm Sweet Farm. So that's kind of what this little area looks like. And then obviously I have this cute little Ray Dunn jar that I have there that says Inspire. I just kind of keep my scrubbing stuff in there for doing the dishes. I added this on the door in my kitchen because I just thought it was really, really pretty, and I thought it would be really cute to add something on this door because it's the only door that's like cornered in the kitchen. So I just kind of wanted that one to be like a, you know, eye-catching. And then over here I changed out my Easter mugs to all of my like springtime mugs and just regular mugs. And then over here I put up a sign that says Sweet Tea from an Etsy shop. I have my little Ray Dunn stuff here. This is from Joanna Gaines thing at Target that I picked up, and then a little rooster, and then another little flower here to add for summertime and spring. Then I moved this right there. I'm trying to fill this up with some more of my rolling pins, but they are expensive. And then I moved the tea and coffee, or excuse me, the coffee pot and stuff down here, and then I added a coffee and tea sign right here. So that is what this little section looks like in my kitchen. Very, very pretty. I like the way that it turned out. So making your way into our bedroom, I have this wreath, this really pretty pink wreath hanging on our bedroom door because some of my room in it has some pink in it now, just a really pretty light color pink. Like you can see, I kind of have this pink throw just sitting on this chair here as you enter our bedroom. And then this is our bed. I got this throw at Target, which is so pretty. I absolutely love it. I love all the pink and the green that's in it. It's just so dainty and so girly, and it just, I don't know, it's just so fresh, and I love it, and so shabby chic. I added some mint green pillows to it to bring out some of the green that is in the blanket. I added this pink throw on here as well with some flowers, and then some more of my house beads that I made. And nothing really changed in here much. I did add some flowers over here on our nightstand, one on each side, and then I added a picture frame with a picture of my boys. And yes, those are my house slippers down there. But anyway, nothing really changed in here except for, you know, just a few things. I just throw pillows out and new blankets and stuff like that out. But I store all of my blankets in here. I got this off of Wayfair. I absolutely love this bench. I'm very, very happy about it. And then over here, I added some new striped pillows on these chairs that I spray painted a couple of weeks ago, which I really like the way that they turned out. And then I added like a little tea pitcher here with some more house beads, some lamb's ear, and some lilac, little fake lilac branches. And then of course a pink blanket on that area. So it looks really pretty. And then lastly, this is that area that I created a couple of weeks ago, and this is why I kind of added some of the pinks in here, because this wreath has a little bit of pink in it with some green, and I just thought it was so pretty for spring and summer. I added our engagement picture in here. It was already in here at one time, but I had it in a black frame. I changed it out, put it in a white frame. Another picture of us from our trip to Vegas years ago. I added some fake plants here, the lamp, some more fake plants. I haven't put a picture in here yet. I did bring in this instead of, what did I have here? I had something else here, but I added these, just fake, you know, lilacs, just to add some more color. And then I have just another house bead down there. And then I'm burning the champagne toast, which is a holiday candle from Christmas, but I love the way that it smells, and it just looks so pretty in this room because it's kind of got the pinks and stuff in it. So alrighty guys, so that is my home tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time on Angie in Wonderland.